So this is a story that was told by a devotee about 6 years ago. There was, once upon a time, there was an elderly man who lived in a village, and he was always known for being very jolly and very non-confrontational and very happy. And one day, someone in his village approached him and said, my dear senior, because the man was over 80 years old, what is your secret? Why is it that, what do you do that makes you always so happy? So the man looked at the young man and he said, do you really want to know what my secret is? And he said, yes, of course I do. I said, please tell me what your secret is. And he says that every time someone tells me what they think, I say, yes, you are right. So the young man was a little bit bewildered, and he said, my dear sir, wouldn't it seems to me that it would be better if you told them what you really think and what your opinion is of what they're saying. So the older man kind of looked at him and didn't say anything for a long time, and he was thinking, and then very strongly and with great conviction he said, yes, you are right.